Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make good edits on CapCut. So add in your video and just select your video here, go to style and scroll until you find video effects. I like to add in the auto velocity because it just makes any edits better. You can adjust the interval between the two beats here if you want it longer maybe. I think that's good enough, so I'm just going to adjust it to that setting. Then I'm going to add in effects. So go to effects, go to video effects, and you can add in the trending effect. I like to add in the halo blur at the beginning. You can definitely adjust the intensity here and also the speed. I actually want it to be a little bit quicker than that. Just add it like so, and you can add in even more effects. So go to video effects again, and I'm going to add in the strobe one, but after the halo blur. So I'm just going to drag it. Honestly, just play around. There's a lot of tutorials on how you can really make good edits on CapCut. I don't know what exactly you're looking for, so this is what I can give you at the moment. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!